Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess who I have here with me? This is my cousin. Her name is Kayla. Say hi, Kayla.
Hi guys.
And if you're wondering what she's doing here with me, I've actually asked her to do my face, do a complete makeup look in terms of foundation, concealer, eye look, contour, highlight, you name it. She's going to do everything. I'm not going to be helping her, and I actually told her about this a couple days ago, and I know she's been practicing and doing all sorts of research to give me like a beat look. So are you excited?
Excited and nervous is what I am right now.
Excited and nervous. Well, I'm excited, and I hope you guys watching are excited as well. So if you have some time, definitely stick around and let's get into it.
We were like, do like a thing.
Like a like
Yeah.
Alright, so Kayla, the floor is yours, so you can go ahead. She has all of, you know, my stuff out in front of her, so she's just going to, you know, have her way with me and with my stuff. So let's dive in.
Okay, so should I like feel like I'm using this? Like, should I just tell them?
Yeah, you can tell them what you're using and what you're using it for.
Okay, so I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to prime the skin for the foundation. So I'm going to put it all over her face. It's weird.
This is weird.
Yeah, because I'm just rubbing something all over your face.
So Kayla was telling me why it's important to have primer on your face. Why is that?
It's gonna make your foundation stay on your face for a longer amount of time, and it's just gonna fill in your pores to make it have like a blurred effect. So say if you have like big pores, it will minimize them, and it would make your foundation look better on the skin.
So what comes next?
I'm going to use the Fenty foundation, and let me find the correct brush to use it. You said you use this one? So I'm going to use it on this flat top fluffy brush. So how much? Just a few pumps?
Yeah.
1, 2, is that good?
Yeah.
A little bit more? Okay. And I'm just going to put it all over. Yeah.
What's
All
on?
over her face. So now that I finished with the foundation, I'm going to move on to concealer, and we're using the Pro Conceal by LA Girl, and I'm gonna put it in the under eye in like a triangular shape because that's how light hits your face. So I'm just gonna put this on her face. I'm in the under eye to cover up any circles that she has. On the forehead to, I don't know, brighten, I guess. And on, oh gosh.
What happened? What's going on?
So now I'm going, should I take a dampened beauty blender?
Yeah, just
Yeah. So now I'm going to take a pre-dampened beauty blender. This one's Pretty and Marbled. And I'm going to blend that out.
This is weird.
Yeah, because I'm just like hitting your face with a random object. Does it feel weird?
It's very relaxing.
I think I put too much product.
Well, I think you can blend and blend.
Yeah, I could blend. So
You can fix most things by blending. Yeah.
Very brightened.
Very bright.
Yeah.
In a good way or in a bad way?
Like, and I need to blend more away.
And I'll blend more way.
but it does look good for the most part. I just need to blend it out so it's not so harsh, because it doesn't really blend in that much.
So next steps.
So the next step, I am going to take the Morphe contour kit and contour her nose and her cheekbones. I'm very nervous for this step, but I will try my best. So to do the cheekbones, I'm going to take this kind of thin flat top brush, and what color should I dip into? Use this one. It looks like she uses the darkest shade a lot, so I'm gonna use some of this and a little bit of the second to darkest shade, this one, because I don't know. I don't want to. I don't want to make it too dark. So fishy, fishy. It's a really creamy consistency. So should I blend it out with this?
You can, or I'll have
a brush for it. Like a brush for it. Just blended it out a little bit with this, and now I'm going to take what brush? This one. I'm going to take this very fluffy, rounded brush to blend it out. Okay, so now the part I'm most nervous for, I'm going to take this little kind of like angled fluffy brush and dip into a less harsh color. I think I'm going to go for like a mixture of these two, because if I mess up, they could probably just be blended out the easiest. That's my reasoning.
Just gonna carve out my nose. Are you scared?
Yeah. So just.
What happened?
I think I messed up.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to blend it out with this one. Okay, I messed up this side just a little bit. Now I'm going to go into the Maybelline New York Fit Me powder in the shade medium 25, and
just screw it. Screw it off. I'm
going to wait. What should I do it with? They do it with the beauty blender. But I don't want it to like mix with the foundation because of the thing. So I'm going to take the beauty blender from before, get some powder, pack it on, and pack it on the under eye to set it so it lasts all day. Now I'm just gonna take a very fluffy brush and put some on the put some on the forehead to mattify, because we don't want to get oily out here. So on there, and I'm going to cut those cheekbones by putting some on the side of the beauty blender and just going for it.
Ooh. Yes.
Is that what I mean?
Yes, girl.
And I'll do it on the other side. Your black clothes.
Don't, it's a dressing room, so it's supposed to get messy.
Okay, so while that's baking, we are going to move on to the eyebrows, which scare me. But so first, I'm going to go in with the spoolie brush thing and spoolie the eyebrows.
And why do we spoolie?
Because we don't want them to be unruly when I try to like fill them in. Yeah.
Well, I have a lot of brows, so I don't think you need
like,
that
not
much
like
filling.
fill in, but like
like neat.
Neater.
Yeah.
Try to just, I don't know.
You said that?
Just kneading them up a little.
Let them all a little bit neat.
Should I like do a little like?
You think I need fake hair? You think I need more hairs?
No, but I'm trying to just.
What I like to do, I just like to defend it in like a little
here?
point. Yeah, that's pretty much all I do. because I have a whole lot of hair.
Okay, so do you have like a makeup one? Because I messed it up a lot.
What did you do? Let's see what you did here. Oh. Oh, girl.
So I'm going to wipe off the baking powder with this fluffy brush. So now that I wipe off the baking powder, I'm going to go do her eyes. Today I'm going to be attempting to do a smoky eye, like a spotlight smoky eye with like red and gold. I'm going to dip into this color and a little bit of that to just go over the lid. Just go over the lid. I'm going to be doing this one, doing that one off camera. So I just put that down to put a base, and now I'm going to be dipping into this one right here, this one and this one to deepen out the outer edge. That's going to get red on it later. Jeez. Top off the excess. Yeah, I am going, since I'm doing a spotlight smoky eye, no, I'm gonna try to make it into a halo eye because it's technically like that. No, I'm gonna call this spotlight smoky eye.
Spotlight smoky.
And just go through the middle to, oh god. Just put it down the middle, that looks weird. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down the middle and I'm going to blend that out. And then we'll be right back. Oh gosh, this is crazy.
What happened?
Because look, I need to blend it out, but I don't know if I did it right.
Don't blend, girl.
Okay, so I finished off the other eye, and I wouldn't say this is a look that someone would rock every day, but it's not that bad, but it's not like makeup artist level, which I wouldn't expect, but I tried.
So what's next?
We're going to move on to blush and see what shade I want to use on you. So now we are going to go into blush, not blush. So now we are going to go into the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe. It usually doesn't look like this, but I made a mess of it. So I'm going to use this fan brush to apply it to her cheekbone. So now that she's glowing, I just need to do lips.
So tell them, which one are you using?
I am using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Sandstorm. Oh yeah, so setting spray. I don't want to spray you. Seems rude. It's very, like...
Yeah.
So this is the finished look. I finished it off with a nude lip. And yeah. I added on some highlighter. It looks really pretty. How do you guys think I did? I tried.
Yes guys, let us know in the comment section down below, how do you think she did. Yes, so that's it guys. Comment down below what you think of the finished face. I think my highlight is popping. What do you guys think? Kayla, thank you so much for coming on my channel. Hope we can work together some more.
Me too.
Guys, please give this a big thumbs up if you like this video.
Subscribe.
And subscribe, of course. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.
Bye.